Prepare for the world's most epic crypto trading showdown. WSOT is back. The best ever this 2023. Win from a massive prize pool, Rolex watches, drive away in a Lamborghini. Step up to the challenge and compete on the global stage with the world's best. Unleash your potential in the ultimate all-star trading showdown. Join us today.
Whoop! There we go. How you doing, guys? Welcome to Bitcoin Daily, 9 a.m. 7 p.m. time on the dollar. We do the show every day, Monday to Friday, because we gotta know what's happening with World Series of Trading, Bitcoin and everything else, of course, guys. Of course, we are gonna be joining the World Series Trading. There will be, live streams talking about charts, patterns, trade setups and stuff like that. I'm very excited about this because last year we didn't do well. So this year we're try to do better. And as you know, it's World Series Trading, so it is the most exciting time of the year. Now Bitcoin is not doing very much, so that might change. The trading, the competition starts in about 2 weeks, give or take. So we got time. But guys, as you see in the pinned chat and down in the comments, in the description, we got our team, guys. We got the team, TFN's Cup team, and as you can see over here, our motto is we have Mladen. We have Mladen, guys. So there is no way we can actually lose this one. We have Mladen. So you're welcome to join the team. Right now, it's only 1 people in here. That's me, because we just started the squad. But we got a squad. We got TFN's Cup. You're welcome to join. There is link down below, of course. And it's gonna be exciting times once we get to the series of trading. So we're gonna talk more about competition rules and stuff like that when we get closer to that time. But it's we gotta shield a little bit until that point, and hopefully we can get at least 10 members, because you have to have 10 members to have a team. Last time we had like 20-30 people joining us. I don't remember actually how many, yeah, I don't remember how many, but yeah, last time was fun. I got liquidated last time, so there is that. And the rest of the guys, some did well, some didn't do well, but that's the way stuff goes. Anyways, that's gonna be very exciting when that time comes. So there is that. How's everybody doing in the chat? Vinet, do you remember me? How can I not remember you, man? How can I not remember? Do you know Sidus token in gaming? No, I do not know Sidus token. Never heard about it. I think I heard about it. Somebody mentioned it once or something like that, but Jürgen, how you doing, man? On the dollar, bullish, my friend. Yeah, I'm very bullish. Garrett, I'm gonna tell you why I'm bullish as well. Jürgen, epic. Yeah, so we're gonna do that. Guys, there's not a lot of people in here, of course. Nobody cares about Bitcoin. Nobody cares about, Bitcoin is at 30K. Alts are down like what. Everybody is in some kind of, perpetual fear and depression, and they just don't care about Bitcoin and crypto anymore. And this might be just the greatest time to be here, because you want to be there when nobody cares about it. You want to be, you wanna be buying gold when nobody cares about gold. You wanna be buying Tesla when nobody cares about Tesla. You wanna be buying, stuff when nobody cares and everybody thinks that that stuff is dead. Because if it's not dead, that means that it's gonna go up. So I do not think that blue balls, exactly. So I do not think that Bitcoin is dead. I do not think that crypto is dead. I do not think the altcoins are dead. I think that everything is at the bottom, and I think Bitcoin is gonna do very, very nicely. Now, I did mention this before, and I'm gonna tell again. I do not believe when you have some kind of move towards upside, some kind of topping out move, and the thing is, there is always some kind of trend line over here that goes something like this, right? The thing about the trend line, if the trend line gets broken and you have some kind of retest over here, I do not think that the top is in just yet. If there is a retest, the top is likely not in just yet. Because oftentimes this shows a whole bunch of bullishness on the chart. So you pull back and you start doing this over here. This is not a topping out pattern. Oftentimes these retests do show that there is a lot of bullishness left in the chart. You will see topping out patterns when the price goes up, goes down, down, and just, you know, it doesn't even come, you know, very high up there because there is no bullishness, and that's when the price is actually dead, right? But if you do have some kind of retest, the price is likely not dead just yet. There is likely not some kind of top in over here just yet. You'll see, for example, over here. Let's just go to another chart so we can see this clearly. Let's just remove everything so we can see this clearly over here. You likely see this over on any kind of chart. Like over here, for example, we went towards upside, we went and retested that for 2 times up here. We pulled back, yes, but it wasn't any kind of top over here. I mean, yes, it was immediate, you know, intermediate top, but you know, we are right now back at the same stuff again. And over here, you'll see that there is also all kinds of retests all over the place. So we went up here towards some kind of top. This over here is a retest. We pulled back down here a little bit over here towards downside, but there is another line up here just below us over here. You can see up here we did 2 retests, and right now we are pulling back. So there is not a lot of bearishness going on. So we got these retests. The retest is on psychological levels tells me that there is bullishness in the chart. People want to push the price up. The price is not falling down a lot. So just by looking at on some kind of you know, on some kind of psychological level, the bullishness is there. There is no failure in the price, and right now we're just pulling back a little bit, and that's what I'm looking at the chart right now. This over here, what's happening right now, we are have been going inside this channel. We get a couple of retests. We are pulling back to the line. You also see that there is a 50 moving average on the daily time frame right over here that's actually holding a support. This expanding musical instrument that's being happening up here is this down at the bottom up here where we go towards upside. It just might be that a lot of people are thinking that we might even go lower. This is 28.8 down here, and you know, thinking that for whatever reason we need to go to 28.5 because 28.5 is very important. If you go to the weekly moving averages, you'll see that the 28.5 is the 20 moving average, but over here on the dollar, almost on the dollar, we hit the 10 moving average on the weekly time frame. So I do not believe that, you know, for whatever reason we have to go even lower than that. Now we are pretty low. We could go lower. We could even dip down there, but there is technically no reason to do that because this move up here is scared a lot of people. If you've seen yesterday altcoins reacting, altcoins were actually bleeding big time, like 5, 6, 7% towards downside. Right now everything is a little bit, you know, 0.1%, 0.2% down up. Altcoins are not actually reacting that much, just kind of waiting down here at the bottom. And the way I see it right now, this bottom up here that's happening on downside, I think it's gonna pull back a little bit towards the upside. You see out here we have the extension up here. We are right now consolidating, waiting for these moving averages that might come a little bit move towards the upside. How this actually gonna play out, a little bit unsure about that, but I'm pretty you know, I'm pretty much bullish when it comes to this bottom over here, especially because of this line up here. Are we gonna, you know, do a spring below the expanding musical instrument on the downside over here and then right back inside there again? That depends to be seen, but I mean, it could happen, but I still, you know, think that, you know, whatever this area down here is, this is buying area for the move towards upside. Now we also have big moons coming in. The big moons are coming on the 1st of August. They go from 1st of August until the 14th of October. It's gonna be big moves. I'm still majorly bullish when it comes to moons because we got a super moons coming in, and I am gonna show you one chart because I explained to you last time that when it comes to moons, right? When it comes to moons, we got 4 moons up here that's happening, right? We got 4 moons. This is one moon. This is second moon over here. No, this is a second moon over here, and there are 2 more moons up here. So all of these 4 moons are super moons. They are full moon super moons, and they are actually bullish. Now I explained that these 2 moons, like every single astrology, you know, website is saying that these 2 moons in the middle are actually technically really super moons. These 2 on the sides are also super moons, but not everybody's saying they are super moons. So only these 2 are super moons. But I've been, for example, watching up here a little bit. Let me show you up here on the chart. Astronomy, super moons and main moons. So this is apparently lunar size, 5 degrees above horizontal and moonrise. So this shows the difference. You know, these are years: 2020, 2020, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 23 up here. This is 21, 22, 23 up here. In the middle up here, you'll see. Sorry about that. Let me just go up here. 21, 22, 23 up here. You'll see up here at 23, there are 4 moons actually up here at the top. There is 1, 2, 3, 4. This over here is right now the moon that we are having. These two is August and October moon. And you'll see that these top moons, these are this what we call the super moons, right? These are the super moons. So these very tops are actually super moons, right? And over here at 21, 22, 23 up here in the middle, up here at the top, these 2 moons in the middle are actually technically, they are definitely 100% super moons. Now these 2 moons on the side that we've been talking about, this is the July moon and this is the September super moon up here. You know, they are kind of on the line up here. So this is the line up here. So, you know, technically whether they are super moons or not depends, but we know for a fact that these 2 moons in the top in August, they are in fact super moons. So these 2 super moons that are gonna come, so there are 4 super moons up here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these 2 super moons are 100% definitely, you know, super moons, super full moons. These 2 are, you know, kind of sketchy and depends whether they are super moons or not, right? So we are still waiting for this August 1st up here. That's the first one, and the second one is around September up here, I think. So can we do something like this up here and then, you know, continue up here? That's the plan, guys. That's the plan. The blue balls are gonna make it. Gaming will start next bull market. I don't know. You think the gaming, I'm a little bit unsure about gaming stuff, but you know, okay. Dips are for buying. Ricky, exactly. Dips are for buying. Told him, morning, how you doing, man? And you are in a dip right now, guys. You are definitely in a dip right now. And the way I see it, dips are for buying. So the structure, it's not broken just yet. Sorry, the trend is not broken just yet. You'll see up here the trend. I'm just saying right now that, you know, this part over here might actually be a very nice buying opportunity. You know, we might create another, you know, instead of going all the way down to this line up here and then going towards upside, we might just bounce over here and then create another line up here, another new trend up here. Let's go something like this towards upside up here, right? So this might be the secondary trend up here. Let's go something like this up here and then break somewhere up there at the top and then goes towards the downside, right? But right now, the trend up here that we've been creating for a while right now, or this trend over here, is still not broken. And as long as you're in options and you're getting the dips are for buying, guys. The dips are for buying. There is nothing wrong with the chart. Everything looks nice and dandy, and you know, I'm excited. I'm excited because we are coming very, very close to the, you know, August 1st. There's 5 days left to the next moon, 5-6 days left, and you know, to the next moon up here. This is the full moon. This is the new moon over here. Very, very close. We are getting this super moon that we are talking about. So, you know, that's gonna be very exciting. Let's go and look at the charts a little bit on the bigger time scales up here. Let's go to the weekly time frame and look at a little bit on the RSI right now sitting at 56 levels. Can it dump down? I mean, it can dump down, but it's already, you know, this was, you know, 51, you know, every single one of these dips down here. For example, this dip over here came to some kind of 50 level down here. This dip over here came to as well to 51. Is this dip gonna go down to 51 again, or is it just gonna, you know, create, you know, some kind of up sloping trend up here? It is already at 56, so, you know, it doesn't have to go that high. On the MACD up here, it looks like we're gonna get a bearish cross up here on the chart, but you know, we did get every time we got last time we got a bearish cross, it just, you know, explode again towards the upside. It is kind of, you know, I do not like actually these kind of moves that start doing this, because this shows weakness, momentum loss in the price. So the big question is whether we actually break this 10-20 moving average. So I would say that this 10-20 moving average up here is very important, because if you do that, then we might actually break the structure and go towards the downside. So what's gonna happen up here, a little bit hard to say, but we still believe in the moons. I'm a believer now. There you go. We still believe in the moons. We believe in the super moons. We believe that, you know, the stuff is gonna come. We're gonna explode towards the upside. That's what we are looking at, right? That's what we're looking at. Yes, the momentum has been, you know, a little bit shifty, monthly momentum has been going towards the upside up here. It is a little bit curving up here right now. Let me show you up here. It is a little bit curving up here. It is slowing down. The momentum is kind of slowing down, but the monthly momentum is being, you know, going towards the upside up here. Also, right now, when it comes to monthly RSI, we're sitting at some kind of 53 levels. We pull back to this 20 moving average up here on the monthly time frame, so we can definitely just, you know, bounce off of this up here and, you know, do another moves towards the upside. You know, how this is gonna actually play out kind of you know, depends, but you know, we always like to watch, you know, short time frames, see what's happening on the chart. Are we, you know, do we have strength in the price or weakness in the price? And right now, although there is weakness in the price and price is pulling back, pulling towards downside, it's not pulling, it's not pulling back that much. It is actually doing very nicely. So we like that, we enjoy that, and yeah, I'm not quite worried about that. There is yes, the Dogecoin to the moon, of course. If you go to Twitter. If you go to Twitter, sorry, there is no more Twitter. If you go to X, and you go to Elon Musk, if you go to Elon Musk on Twitter, look here, guys. Look here. Can we zoom in on this up here? Can you see this up here? Look here. He added X and the Dogecoin, right? Location, X and the Dogecoin. And the Dogecoin, of course, exploded after this. So Dogecoin is actually looking very nice. If you go look at the Dogecoin right now, I've seen, MM Crypto and some other guys, saying how they are buying Dogecoin. Dogecoin is up 5% right now. I'm enjoying this channel up here. It's not out of the channel, it's at the resistance right now, hitting this 200 moving average. But if it starts breaking this towards upside, a Dogecoin might do a very nice move towards upside. Why can it do a nice move to upside? Because that's what the Dogecoin does. It does very fast moves towards upside, right? So if this starts breaking up here, it just might go. It just might go very hard towards upside. Whether it's a Dogecoin time now or not, I do not know. I'm still looking at this, this channel up here. Let's say, right now rising towards upside. This up here is bullishness still picking it up. What is gonna break the resistance up here at the top, I do not know, but it looks very good. The Dogecoin definitely looks very, very good. Another thing that's very big right now, it's the world coin. So as you can see up here, I got some kind of lines up here. Let's go to the small time frames up here. This is WorldCoin, and the guy from OpenAI started work on. Somebody mentioned it in the Telegram chat, and I checked it out. So the guy, Sam Altman or whatever it's called, the guy who started or is in OpenAI. Who he is, it doesn't really matter. But they're connecting with the OpenAI. They started this coin called WorldCoin. And it's been going down after a launch. So I'm thinking investors got it very, very cheap. How much they got it cheap, I do not know. But right now, it exploded, to some kind of, 5.3, and right now just pulling back. It's been pulling, technically it's been pulling back since $3 right now. Right now it's some kind of, down here it hit some kind of bottom, bounce up here a little bit. What it's doing actually, I do not know. But it is a new coin. It is by, either endorsed or have some kind of, team with the OpenAI stuff. I don't know, but everybody's talking about it, so you might want to check it out. It's called WorldCoin, and everybody's talking about VLD. So how low it's gonna go, how high it's gonna go, nobody knows. But what we do know is that when there is hype and people are talking about stuff, that might be actually good, right? So we're gonna keep on following VLD as well and see, how it performs. But the moves are actually legitimately big. Yesterday I actually wanted to short this up here somewhere on the 5-minute chart. Yeah, up here. I actually want to short this move up here. So this move up here, like that 7.5% move towards downside. It goes so fast. Then it went up here a little bit and then it had this huge dump towards downside. I mean, the moves on this thing are extreme. Like this is 20% move. And it is very, very volatile. So be careful, But who might tell you to be careful? Do what you want to do. Dogecoin to the moon. Often Elon pops Dogecoin just before a dump to keep it afloat. No. The Dogecoin dumps because it just what it does, right? It doesn't matter how it pumps, it always dumps. Just a second, guys. I just get delivered a little bit food, so there's that. Oh, nice. Okay, guys, without further ado, Bitcoin is not doing that much. I think, we might be at some kind of bottom down here, give or take. I think we might be some kind of bottom down here, give or take up here. Even down up here, above the line up here might be very nice. So I think, still that dips are for buying. The moons are coming. Don't get rugged. Exactly. And I hope you have a nice day. Guys, again, BYBIT World Series of Trading is starting in less than 2 weeks, so registrations are open. We have the team. Join our team, guys, if you wanna be part of the madness eventually. We still got only one member up here, so join the team, guys. There's a link down below, and I'll see you again tomorrow, same time, same place. Now let's watch that video again. Bye-bye, guys.
Prepare for the world's most epic crypto trading showdown. WSOT is back. The best ever this 2023. Win from a massive prize pool, Rolex watches, drive away in a Lamborghini. Step up to the challenge and compete on the global stage with the world's best. Unleash your potential in the ultimate all-star trading showdown. Join us.